Hello, good morning, students. Hope you're all doing good and ready for our today's lesson. It's gonna be about how to point to things using this, that, these, and those. First things you should know there is a singular and a plural words. For the singular ones, we will use this and that, and for the plural, we will use these and those. First, singular. If you want to point to a singular thing, if it's close, you will say this. If it's far, you will say that. Let's take this. This means it's a near things. For this apple, look, it's so close, you will say this apple. Or here we have an elephant and a boy pointing to it, to the elephant. So we will say this elephant because it's a close and a singular. Then we have that for far away things like that tree. Now look here, it's so far. So we will say that because it's far, and because it's singular, only one tree, we will say that tree. Now, here we have this and that, and as we know, this for close things, as you see here, the pear is so close, we will say this pear, and for the bat, who's far away, we will say that bat. Then we have the plural. Are you ready for the plural? It's so easy. We have these and those, these for close and near things, and those for far away things. These for near, like balls, we will say these balls because it's plural and it's near. But for the far away things and the plural, we will use those ducks. Here we have ducks and it's a plural and they are far away, we will say those ducks. As you see here, the eggs is so close, so we will use these eggs, but here, look at all the space, it's so far, so we will say those eggs. Now, let's just make sure you understood what we took. First sentence, I will read the sentence, try to solve them by pausing the video, then remain the video and just check your answers. So here, ducks are beautiful. We have this and those. And because ducks, it's a plural, we will use those ducks are beautiful. Second sentence, horse is fast. We have those and that. And because horse is a singular, we have that or this. We sure we have that here, so it will be that horse is fast. Then, houses are fancy. This and those. As we know, this for singular, those for plural, so it will be those houses are fancy. What we took today is singular, this and that, plural for those and these.